If you're tired of constantly battling with lint and fuzz on your favorite clothes, you might be looking for something that gets the job done without frustration. Today, we're diving into a product that promises to make your laundry days a little easier. The Hairball Trimmer Laundry Special Rechargeable Clothes Hair Removal Ball, also known as the Lint Remover. Now, before we jump into my hands-on experience, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you never miss a review here on Beautyistic. If you're ready to say goodbye to those pesky lint balls, keep watching. Let's start with the basics. The Lint Remover is a rechargeable, portable device designed to eliminate fuzz, hairballs, and lint from clothing, especially your knits and sweaters. It comes with 3-speed settings, allowing you to adjust the power according to the type of fabric you're working with. The LED digital power display keeps you informed on how much charge is left, with a special alert that flashes when the battery drops below 10%. The device also has a simple charging system with a consistent light when plugged in, indicating it's charging properly. When it comes to practicality, this tool does its job well. I've tested it across a few different clothing types, including cotton, wool, and synthetic fabrics. It efficiently removes lint without damaging the material, which is a huge win for anyone with delicate fabrics in their wardrobe. The 3-speed setting is definitely a highlight. It gives you more control over the intensity, which is perfect for those different fabrics. In terms of design, the Lint Remover is easy to handle. The build feels sturdy, but not too heavy, making it comfortable for prolonged use. The blade is replaceable, which extends the product's longevity. Plus, the blade cover ensures that it removes lint effectively without making a mess. The biggest advantage of this device is its versatility and ease of use. It's not only great for clothing, but works wonders on household textiles like sofa covers and blankets. A quick pass over the fabric and you're left with a clean, lint-free surface. It's a solid addition to any laundry room or even a travel bag for on-the-go use. However, like any product, there are a few things to consider. The charging time isn't incredibly fast, and if you're in a rush, you may have to wait a bit. Also, while the device does a great job of removing lint, it's essential to replace the blades as needed. If you're not mindful of that, you might notice it losing its effectiveness over time. As for the value for money, at its price point, it's definitely a reasonable investment, especially considering how much time it saves you in the long run. If you're someone who struggles with lint or those annoying little balls on your favorite sweaters, this trimmer is a worthwhile purchase. You're investing in a tool that simplifies your life, saves you time, and keeps your clothes looking fresh. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are a few smaller lint removers on the market that might not have the same power or features, but still get the job done. If you don't mind sacrificing some speed or functionality, those might be worth a glance, but for a more thorough clean, this model is a great choice. In terms of build quality, the materials feel solid and the construction is well made. It's clear that the product is built to last, especially with the replaceable blades. I've used it multiple times now, and it hasn't shown any signs of wear or degradation. To wrap it up, the Hairball Trimmer Laundry Special Rechargeable Clothes Hair Removal Ball does exactly what it promises. It removes lint and fuzz quickly, efficiently, and with minimal effort on your part. The adjustable speeds, ease of use, and replaceable blades make it a great option for anyone looking to keep their clothes looking fresh. While the charging time and the need to replace the blades may be minor drawbacks, the overall value of the product makes it a solid buy. Thank you so much for watching. If you've tried this lint remover, or if you've got a product you swear by, leave me a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you're ready to grab this one for yourself, the link is in the comments or description box. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.